Hey kids, it's Richie the Sailor again. We're gonna put the aerator with a piece of material here. We already started onto the tractor here, LA 100, and that's gonna aerate around here. And then in the past, there's the puppy, he wants to play ball. Yeah, all the time. That's Cooney. And here's, I scratched it first around the corner, and we're gonna do this little path, nature path in the woods. I mowed down, and this is just a little quickie, and I'm just showing you. We're gonna go around a couple times. If we take another picture, we're gonna try and grow grass a little bit, see? I'm gonna try to grow grass on the nature trail. Okay? Here's my junkyard. Yay! Okay, that's it. Okay, whuppies.